How to watch Netflix in TV. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can watch Netflix on your TV. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To watch Netflix on a TV, of course, first of all you need to have a Netflix premium plan or your account, and then after that you need to have the Netflix app on your TV. So basically in my case, many of the Android TV or smart TV already does have Netflix by default, but in case you don't have it, then you can just download it via any of the app stores that you have, and then just go to the option called Netflix. And then once you open the Netflix app, it will take you to a page where you have to simply sign into your Netflix account. So we're going to be patient and wait until the Netflix login page actually comes over. So as you can see, we have two options: sign in and get started. So if you are on get started, which means that you have not created a Netflix account, you can just go to that option, or you can just click on the sign in button over here. And then when you click on the sign in button, it will take you to a page where you can simply enter your login details. So we're going to go ahead and then simply enter our login details over here. So once you enter your email address and your password, make sure that they are correct information. Click on the next button, and then as you do that, you'll be successfully logged into your account. And then once you're logged into your account, you can simply watch Netflix in that way. And that's all it takes to watch Netflix on TV. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you though, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.